Hello everybody, it is March 27th, I believe, about 5 o'clock in the evening, or 5:30, whatever. Gonna work on my tractor here. It's an LS MT468. I'll show you the badge there, in case you don't believe me. There we go. She threw a code on me a couple weeks ago of a F020 and 636, and what I've been told is it is a crank sensor issue that needs replaced. So this tractor is I believe it's a 2023 model, has 105 hours on it. I've only had one known regen that I known, but it probably was regen when I'm running it, because I run it at the higher RPM and run it, you know, for baling hay, cutting hay, whatever, for, you know, enough time that it'll regen while I'm running it. So I am gonna replace it or get it out here, but finding it is another trick. See if I can open up this cover. It's right, supposedly it's back here by the starter, and not the easiest to get to. There's a cover right there I need to take off, and hopefully that'll get it. Show it here. Let me get this hood up. That's just a matter of pulling that lever down right here, and she comes right up. Batteries up front, air cleaner, DPF set up there, and haven't had any other issues other than this problem. So I'm going to see if I can get this cover off here. It looks pretty simple, a couple bolts, and go from there. I'll send you another video when I get it off. Thanks. Okay, day 2 here on this crank sensor, showing you where it is, because I've never seen anything that showed it before. Behind, there's a cover that comes over top of this, the starter. It's bolted onto this bracket right here, and then this big plug here is plugged into here on top of it, but right down here is your crank sensor. So it's one bolt there you got to take off and unplug this plug right here, and that should do it. So I'll show it to you when I get her pulled out. Okay, there it is. The hole. So I'm going to put something in there so I can get the part. I got to swap out the part so I can get it warranted, and hopefully it should be back up and running. Talk to you later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell all your friends. Bye. As you can see, put in the sensor, the new one, and she's running just fine. Back to normal. Thanks everybody for watching. Like, subscribe, and see if we can get some more videos out. Coming up here, we're gonna have to start cutting maybe a few weeks, baling the first round of hay.